Hello student, nice to see you again. How are you student? I hope you are okay, you are well. Okay student, today we will study about chapter 2, Microsoft Excel. Before we continue our lesson today, I want to remind you yeah, about the last lesson. Last week we have studied about Microsoft Excel also, especially about the chart in Microsoft Excel, how to insert or how to create the chart in Microsoft Excel, and also uh, the components of a chart. I hope you still remember about the last lesson. Okay, today we will continue about formatting chart, layout of a chart, designing a chart. Okay, kid, look at this. Okay, formatting chart. Yeah, formatting a chart in menu or ribbon format. Yeah, you will see the current selection, shape style, word art style, and arrange size. You can see here. I want to show you in Microsoft Excel. Okay, I have data. Yeah, here name, class, section, mark. Yeah, you can read the name and the class and also the section and the mark. And I hope here, sorry, I have here chart. I already have here, and you can see when I click this chart, yeah, later you can see here the menu format, layout and design. Okay, I click. Look at it. Have here format, layout, design. If we don't click the chart, this is no help here. Look at, you can see the design, layout, and format when the chart is active. Okay, look at this. Okay, like just now, yeah, formatting a chart, we try the first format here. Okay, look at this format. Okay, in format ribbon, you can see here, yeah, format selection, reset to match style, yeah, shape style, yeah, so many uh, option you can see here. What art style, yeah, arrange, yeah. Okay, we want to try the first like format selection, yeah, format selection. Have here fill, yeah. If you want to fill the chart like this, we try uh, picture or texture. Look at it. I want to move this here. We change the color, the example, this one. Look at it. Yeah. When you want to change the this, yeah, you can also change the background of this picture. You can see here. Yeah, when you click this, yeah, have here, and you can select. Okay, what do you want? The example, this one. Look at that. Change. Yeah. Maybe you also want to change this color. Okay, just click and have here. Ya, you click fill. Fill itu isi dalamnya. Fill. Okay, what do you want? The example pattern ya, kid. We try from here. Okay, we try this. The example. You want to change the color? Just click this. Okay, maybe you change. Okay, choose this. the example ya kid, and also this one. Okay, okay, that's to fill the color. Yeah, background. Yeah, you can click format ya kid, format, and have format selection just now. Okay, that's to format our chart ya, untuk memformat. The example you want to click this, yeah, mark. Yeah, this is chart title. You must know and you must remember this. The name is mark. This mark is chart title. Ya, ini judulnya. The example you want to change the color. Yeah, maybe this one. Okay. Okay, kid. That's the way or the step. If you want to format, mau mengatur, yang memformat, maybe background, ya, maybe the chart, grafiknya ini, ya, this one, ya, maybe the chart title or the axis title. The example, this one, you want to change the color, click, okay, and then choose text field. Okay, you want to change with the example this color. Okay, easy kid how to format the chart. Okay, the next we see here, after formatting a chart, yeah, this one, layout of a chart. Yeah, layout of a chart. Yeah, this is so you can see here. Yeah, when this active, yeah, kid, I remember again or repeat one more time. Yeah, you can see format, layout, and design when this chart active. If not active, look at, you cannot see again. Kamu nggak bisa lihat lagi, kid. So you must make the chart active. Okay, format, and now layout. Okay, look at layout. Have here so many options, banyak pilihan, kid. Yeah, chart title. The example you want to, yeah, you want to make the chart title center overlay. You can see maybe here the different, ya, perbedaannya nanti when I click this. Look at this. Have the change, ada perubahan. Yeah, we want to make it back. Kita kembalikan. Yeah, choose this. Yeah, that's to format the title chart. Yeah, chart title. And axis title, this one, axis title. Yeah, you want to click, yeah, here, have again, make here. Okay, like this, have the change, ya, ada perubahan lagi, kid. Okay, legend, you know legend. This is legend, ya, kid. You can, if you want to know what the names, you can move your mouse. When you move your mouse pointer in this, have the name. You want make here, have the name. Yeah, horizontal. This is what the name? Yeah, series. Yeah, have ya, kid. This is category axis. This mark point. Yeah, this is value grid line, major grid line. Okay, this is chart area. So if you want to know, just move your mouse. Yeah, later you will know what's the name. Okay, that's about the layout. Yeah, you can see here. And now about this. Okay, kid, now about the design. Yeah, design. When you click the chart, have design here, and you can choose so many options here, kid. Look at so many options, so many color. Yeah, You can choose what do you want. Yeah. The example, you want to choose the gold. Can change ya. Ya, kamu bisa merubahnya, kid. Ya, so many uh, chat style here. The example, this one, chat layout. Yeah, you can change. Maybe you can choose. Yeah, just try it. You can try. Yeah, all of them. Okay, that's about the design. Okay, kid. I think enough for today. I hope you understood about our lesson. Yeah, I want to repeat again. Today we study about format chart, layout chart, and design chart. Okay, kid. Uh, thank you for your attention. See you again. Bye bye.